friends, welcome back. My name is Adele if you are new, and today I'm going to be attempting to tidy up my room using the KonMari method. So if you don't know who Marie Kondo is yet, then where have you been? Because she is all over the place right now. I can't go on any sort of social media without seeing some meme about sparking joy. Long story short, Marie Kondo is like a tidying expert. She's really great at cleaning and organizing and all of those wonderful things that I am not good at. And Netflix recently came out with a show where she goes to people's houses and teaches them all of her lovely ways of cleaning. I've known about her for a few years now. I haven't read her books, but I have been watching videos about the KonMari method and stuff like that for a very long time. And since it's blowing up so much right now, I figured I would try to implement it in my own life since I still haven't done that before. So in her method, the important part is doing everything by category, getting everything in one place. So the categories that we are going to be cleaning through today are clothes, books, papers, kimono, which is like the Japanese word for miscellaneous, and sentimental items. I am the worst when it comes to keeping my room clean. I always have clothes all over the floor. And as much as I love organization and productivity, I cannot seem to keep my room clean. Most of the time, it's really just clothes. I'm not like some nasty trash goblin, but I got clothes laying all over the ground. So, I have went ahead and put all of my clothes that were already on the ground and that I just got from laundry and put them on my bed. So I still have the clothes in my closet and like my drawers, but that was everything that was on my floor. So we're going to go ahead and get started and see how well this works for me. So this is my room currently as is. I didn't do anything to it except, again, putting all those clothes that I got from my floor and laundry and put it on my bed. My room is pretty bare. My apartment is kind of small, so I don't have a huge room, but this is what it looks like. And I have a bunch of crap under my bed, so that'll be fun. So first we're going to start with clothes, and that means getting everything out of my closet and putting it on my bed. I'm already seeing tons of clothes that I haven't worn in forever. I can't get it out. Oh no. I don't know where to put it. Oh. I don't know how to put it in, so it's gonna sit out for now. I'm not gonna do underwear and socks right now with all this because there are way too many things. So these are all my clothes. This is so much. I did not know I had this many clothes. Okay, so now I guess I'm going to go through them, see if they spark joy, and if they do not, then I'm going to thank them and put them in a pile to get rid of, and then have a pile to keep, and then I'm probably going to have a maybe pile because I am very indecisive. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I wear this constantly. This is never leaving me. I have a bunch of Gavin's clothes in here. Like, half of this is Gavin's. So this is my room right now. I have way too many clothes. This is ridiculous. So I've sorted through everything. Right now these are all like my t-shirts and pajamas and stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and fold these even though I wanted to keep everything together because I have no more room. I sorted through underwear, socks, stuff like that, so that's done, but I could not figure out how to put it back in the dresser. So this is my maybe pile, which I need to go through and sort through again, and then this is my no pile and all my hangers, and this is my keep pile. All these are also keep, but I'm going to go ahead and fold them right now. So there's apparently a way to fold these correctly according to Marie Kondo. I'm going to try to do it by memory right now because I don't feel like getting my computer because it's all the way over there. So this is the first attempt at folding. Let's see how this goes. I messed up. I messed up again, I think. Oh no. No! So it's important to fold it in a way so that it stands on its own, and I obviously have not completed that. I did it! Look! Nice! Look at that! Oh no. 15 more shirts to go. Alright, so these are all the clothes that I'm keeping, and these are all the clothes that I'm getting rid of. How crazy is that? That's so much! That's like a closet full in itself. Also, as you can see, I pretty much gave up on that folding method pretty quickly. It's just incredibly time consuming, and this video is already like 2 hours long. Also, I would put these drawers away, but I absolutely don't know how to get them in. It is not working. I think I broke it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through and put hangers on all of these clothes. Alright guys, I think I'm finally done. I just finished shoes, makeup, miscellaneous, and sentimental items. So I'm going to show you my room, but I do want to mention that it's not going to look super fancy and put together or anything because this has been taking a long time. It's been a few hours and I'm very tired. So I still can't get these drawers in, so I'm going to have Gavin help me or something. These are all the clothes I'm getting rid of. I still cannot believe that I'm getting rid of this many. Like, that's crazy. There's so much. Comment down below if you guys would be interested in maybe buying some of these, maybe. I know a lot of people do like Depop and stuff like that. And so I thought about selling some clothes before, but I don't know. So comment down below if that sounds like something you would be interested in. These are also the shoes I'm getting rid of. Not these, because these are Gavin's, but these two pairs right here. These are like a loafer type thing. And then these sandals. Also, the under the bed area still looks kind of messy. That's because I don't know how to organize it. Also, most of it is just like plastic bags from months and months ago when I was shopping with these because I recently switched to reusable bags, and so I still keep those to use for like my bathroom trash and stuff. And then some of it is just storage, and then these are like some snacks that I have. But other than that, it's mainly bags. I am most impressed by my closet now because it looks so much nicer and cleaner and put together. I believe with the KonMari method, you're supposed to organize all your clothes from like ascending to descending order or whatever, but I prefer to keep like winter clothes on one side and then like summer clothes on the other. Also, if you've noticed this thing, this is a curtain rod with a curtain attached to it, and it's actually been there for a very long time. It fell from my window months ago and I just have not put it back because Gavin said he would help me and he hasn't. So it's just been there and I don't know what to do with it because it's a huge curtain rod, so I can't really like put it anywhere. So I know it still looks kind of messy, but once these drawers are in and all these clothes are gone and the shoes are gone, it'll look very clean. Just imagine it. Overall, I really like this method. I would recommend starting from the easiest thing first and then moving on to the hardest. And also make sure you have a whole day to work on it because I didn't really start at the beginning of the day and it took quite a few hours, and I'm sure it would take much longer if you were doing your whole house, but since I am in an apartment with my friends, then I just have to do my room. I think this was an interesting experience. I got rid of a lot of stuff, which is awesome. I'm very hot and tired and sweaty though, and kind of annoyed that it just took so long. But overall, it was a very good time, very good, fun experience. I am going to try to keep my room a little cleaner from now on, not let my clothes build up on the floor. Thank you so much for tagging along and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me suffer. Subscribe if you would like, it would make my day. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.